Welcome back to Dude We Can Fix It. Are you hot? Is your car AC not blowing cold? Well, I'm here to show you how to fix it yourself. Today we're going to clean the evaporator coil. So the first thing we're going to do is come on the passenger side, open up the glove box, and we'll squeeze both sides of the glove box. To release these tabs, we can rotate this down and set the glove box out of the way. Now from this position, we can see the blower motor here. This guy. Sometimes it will have a insulating shroud over it with a hard plastic cover. You will have to remove that first and then proceed to where I am at now. First, we're going to remove this ventilation tube. Just pull it out of there, rotate it off to the side, and we're going to remove the power wire and push that off to the side, and then also the grounding wire, this guy here. Now we have everything electrical disconnected. Push those up and out of the way, hopefully. Try or not. All right. Now we will go ahead and remove our 6 5.5 millimeter screws. All right, now that this is loose, we will rotate so that this large flat side is facing up, and that will give us the clearance to wiggle the blower motor out. Make sure you don't hang up on any wires. And that is how you remove the blower motor. All right, so now that that is out of the way, you can see inside of here, this is our recirculation flap right here. And then we look inside of here, that is our heater core. See, there's some crud on it. We're going to start by vacuuming that off and then spraying some condenser cleaner, brushing it a little bit with a toothbrush, and then hosing it out. All right, now that we have our evaporator or heater core vacuumed out, also be very gentle with that, you don't want to bend the fins. We're ready to apply some Evap coil cleaner. We're going to use a no rinse formula. That way it will rinse itself. You can find this at Home Depot. I'm an HVAC guy, so I'm going to be using this stuff, which is pretty much the same thing, but I buy it in bulk. So we're just going to come in here. We're going to spray it on the coil in there. And then we're going to brush it with a toothbrush. It's going to be very careful not to bend any of the fins on those coils. All right, so now you're going to want to take your hose. Do not put it on jet because once again, these fins are very delicate. And we're going to just come in here and we're going to rinse our coils. You may want to have a couple towels handy just in case you get a little crazy. Alright, and this is also a good time to verify that your drain is working. Look at that. water. All right, now we're ready to reinstall the blower motor. So our tabs will be facing up, and we'll turn it about 30 degrees so that this flat side is facing up. Be careful to not get your wires tangled up. Once you get it in there, and rotate it back 30 degrees. And get it to sit back in its place. There is a little tab right here that is alignment tab, and there's a small little tab up top just like it that is another alignment tab. So once those slide in, you know it's in the right place. Let's go ahead and start putting our 5 screws back in. Once again, these are 5.5 millimeter screws on mine. Yours may be different. There we go. All right, we're all hooked back up there. Now we are ready to reinstall the glove box. Notice you have these 2 tabs right here. They will sit, this plastic rod here corresponds to this clip, and this plastic rod here corresponds to this clip. Then all you do is rotate the assembly back up until the tabs pop in and your glove box is back on. So that's all there is to it. That's how you clean your evaporator coil to get colder AC and better airflow. Thanks for watching Dude We Can Fix It. Please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more videos.